Hello friends, welcome back to Sweden with Tripti. So in this video we are going to clear one more concept of Swedish language. So we are gonna discuss about one interesting grammar thing which is quite confusing sometimes. I'm gonna talk about where to use word liten, litet, lilla. Sometimes it's quite confusing. We don't understand where exactly we are supposed to use liten, lilla, litet. So without any further delay, let's begin today's video. So first of all, I will talk about word liten, where to use liten. Liten word we will use when we are using n word, n-ord. When we talk about Swedish grammar, there are n-ord, ett-ord. I believe you know that n-ord, ett-ord. When we are using n-ord, that time use liten. And when we are using ett-ord, then we are using litet. What is the meaning of litet? Litet with either small. So when we are supposed to say something small, then we say lite. When it is n-ord, they will be the litet. For example, en liten bil. En liten bil, a small car. This is the example of a small car. So we will say en liten bil. What for liten? Why liten? Because bil are at n-ord. Bil is n-ord, therefore an liten bil. And when we are talking about ett-ord, for example, hus is ett-ord, right? So when we are supposed to say a small house, we will say ett litet hus. So it is very simple, n-ord liten, ett-ord litet. Now comes interesting part, where to use lilla. We can use lilla for both n-ord, ett-ord. When we are talking about lilla, that means when noun is definitive. When we are talking about a particular noun, we know the situation. For example, when we are talking about a specific house, this is the house we are talking about. This is the house. Then we say det lilla huset. This is the small house. So which is the small house? This one. The one we know already. So we know already the noun is definitive. So that time you say det lilla huset. If I'll take example of n-ord, for example, hund. Hund is n-ord, right? So when we are saying this is the small dog, then we will say den lilla hunden. Det lilla huset. Den lilla hunden. Understood? So we are using lilla for both det, then hunden, then lilla hunden, det lilla huset. And one more interesting part is there, lilla we sometimes use for the plural form also. For example, we say jag har en liten bil. Okay, I have a small car. Now I'm talking about a car. Okay, and for example, I'm talking about multiple things like barn, right? When I'm talking about a single barn, then it is ett barn. Okay, so litet barn. Jag har litet barn. When I'm talking, I have so many kids. Okay, so many small kids. So jag har lilla barn. Lilla comes for multiple also when there is plural form. For plural form, lilla, singular form, liten, litet, liten for n-ord, litet for ett-ord, and lilla for plural. And also we use lilla when it is definite form of noun. When we are talking about a specific thing, specific noun. I hope I have cleared all your questions, and if still you have any question, feel free to comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye.